We are living in a world that never stops, where hustle culture is the norm, stress is endless, and our nervous systems are working overtime. To make ourselves feel better, we can end up scrolling, buying things, drinking, eating, but those dopamine hits are just a quick fix. Most people don't realize, but they have the power within themselves to reset and regulate their nervous system. This gives them a sense of fulfillment. It builds emotional resilience and leads to a long, healthy and happy life. And most importantly, avoid burnout. Welcome to my channel, where Yoga Nidra meets vagus nerve activation and mindful movement to balance the body and mind. My name is Alice and I'm a Yoga Nidra educator and an emotional resilience coach. I help people break free from stress cycles, build emotional resilience and restore balance. On this channel, you'll find Yoga Nidra meditations to regulate and reset your nervous system, vagus nerve activations to regulate stress and anxiety, physical yoga practice to release any stored up tension in the body, and emotional intelligence tools to help you build a healthy relationship with yourself and others for authentic, meaningful connection. If you're ready to move beyond stress and build emotional resilience, you've come to the right place. When you're ready to begin your journey, start with my most powerful guided Yoga Nidra meditation. This powerful practice of Yoga Nidra meditation has transformed lives for centuries. So kick back, relax, and I'll see you soon.